And with that here, I am getting things ready still, just slightly. So the thing that I'm planning to do, besides drink this, is we're actually going to set up some continuous integration today. I was working on it a little bit last week, tried to get code build working with a Go services application. It didn't go so well. It didn't build for whatever reason. That was kind of annoying, really. It seemed like it should have worked much better, but it didn't for whatever reason. Yeah, a little frustrated with that. I'll take a stab at it again in the future, but today we're going to actually get into what do they call it? The Azure thing. We're going to use some more of that because it honestly seems like one of the easier solutions to set up a pipeline to build on from the big cloud providers. Or at least let me withdraw that statement. From the big cloud providers, including AWS and Azure. I haven't used GCP's code build options just yet. I plan to in the coming days, but right now it seems like the Azure DevOps, that's what they call it. How can I forget that? Because it's so inappropriately named. But that seems like it just works a little bit better. So we're going to start from nothing today and kind of work our way into getting something built. So first off, let's see about getting logged in here. I got this song stuck in my head about some gunslinger or something. It's kind of weird almost. I hope it goes away shortly. So let's look up Azure DevOps. How did we get to it? I don't even remember what the path is. Oh, I guess you're not supposed to remember the path. So let's sign in. Yeah, there we go. Connecting through 8 million different paths. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, geez, yes. All right, so what did it do? Oh, it dumped me back out here. So come on, Microsoft. Just log me in already. I logged into like 5 things. Here we go. So last week, or last session, I should say, I created this Cassie schema migrator for the Cassandra schema migration tool. So if I go in here, it's just me so far, and then pipelines. Commits by 3 authors. I think they're all me though. Oh, so if I go to pipelines and then builds, boom. There we go, all the builds. Yeah, so it's AH, me, Adrian, me, and A, me. I don't know how I ended up being 3 different entities, but whatever. Fought through some conflicts here, but in the end, got the sucker building. So it is currently building. And if we look at the last one, and then, I wonder if there's an easy way to, it's in my repos now. I don't think anything. Oh, there's this other thing, but I couldn't figure out how to get rid of this repo because I'm not using it. I'm using the one directly out from GitHub itself. Oh, this is rename repository. How about remove repository? Anyway, so I'm going to go back into pipelines and let's see here. Where is Schema Migrator? Yeah, here's my main account, and then I want to enable this one, the truck services base, and get started with a pipeline in it. Let's go into pipelines again. Click on new pipeline, and I'm just going to go straight to GitHub, not use an Azure repo for now. So go here. And then we're going to get the truck services. Yeah, let's actually set up the Riptano one. Yes, for this one. Let's open up GitHub over here. We'll take a look at what's going on. Oh yeah, while I'm at it. Don't like that tune. That isn't gonna work for now. All right, there we go. Base. Still logging in. Give that just a second more. Let's go over here and look at the README. The README's got nothing in it right now. Let's go back to this. Get in position to add a badge. And then I'm going to reset this one because I don't know what the heck it's doing. Yeah, sign in already. Oh wow, this is freaking sweet. Holy shit. So already this looks cleaner than the process in... Okay, there's all the other stuff, blah 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 blah. Oh, I like their C++ thing with GCC logo. Is that new? I could have sworn I didn't have this option last time. Minimal thing. No, I want to do Go project. So it detected that it's a Go project. That's pretty slick. And then, oh my goodness, what is all this stuff? I don't know how I feel about some of this stuff. If, oh, Oh, slick. Super slick. So if it detects a gopackage.toml, then it goes out and snags the install.sh file to install dep, and then it runs a dep ensure. Oh my god, that's kind of beautiful. So let's save and run that. See where we get here. Setting up initial build for the trucks services backend. Should I just do this? Yeah. Alright, let's run that and see what we get. Getting dependencies inbuilt. So what is it doing? Fetching. Oh, it's installing it. Okay, yeah, because it had to go get that. Now it's getting to the dependencies. What is this crap? Exited with 2. What's it say? Let's hear. Oh, type string. That should work with the dependencies. And it says, okay, so it's getting this stuff. Cannot use ID type string as type this. So it didn't get it? Well, there's the download for it. Huh. All right, so we have it though. So let's go. Now, where did I get that badge last time? Probably here. Yeah, put the README file there. That's the best bet. Oh, and then builds. Edit. Oh, I think it was parameters, triggers. Nope. Settings. Oh, phooey. I've completely forgotten where this stupid thing is. Run center settings. Port pipeline. Status badge. That's what I'm looking for. So we're going to get the sample markdown here. Then let's go put this into our file here. Adding the build badge for the repo. Here we go. Okay, so that should lead me back to this. Okay, so now we're mapped up right. We have a build. There it goes. So I'm curious what it'll do again. Because it looked like it should have got the dependency, right? set up the Go workspace. Alright, you keep working on that workspace. We're going to look at a local build real quick. So here it is, and what it was fussing about is, oh, not that stuff. Handlers. Oh yeah, and then oh, damn it, come on. Okay, this is the thing it's fussing about. Probably that by proxy. But it looks like we've got a good build here. So let's see what we get. Go build. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I'm probably running it. Well, let's actually be clean here. What do we got running? Docker, network, list. Yeah, so that stuff's running. Let's actually tear down. Well, no, we want to keep up. We want to keep the. Yeah, so Docker list. So what I want to keep. Not Docker list. PS. So what I want to do is keep these things running, and I want to do. But I should. Actually, I just want to do a build. All I want to do is do a build, and I just did a build, and it worked fine. So if I tear that stuff down, let's do, what is it? It's CD migrations I have it in, and then in here, dev down. I should tear that stuff down, and then I can get into, see if I get it. See if I get a good build now. Remove trucks, executable, and go build. What do we get? Okay. What is it? Oh, I didn't want to do that. I want to do go build name app. Is that how you do it? Ah, whatever. Okay. And oh yeah, let's stop running. Yeah, so it's running and everything. Okay. And all that stuff was, so it's running, the app's running, but this is crapping out on me. Which says bash X0026 cannot use ID type string as type this. Oops. Yeah, that's the only thing in here. Oh, so it's saying ID is the string. So this, where's the truck model? What do I actually have it? Oh, refactor, not fine. Usages, Go to declaration. It's not a string, it's this. Oh, I bet I need to parse it here. Probably need to parse it here, but let's see here. If I build this, and then I run trucks, and I open back up our trusty little, oh shoot, what was it? Postman. Yeah, so I got Postman here, and now let's run, get out of here. Let's run all the trucks. Okay, so that did blow up. Invalid memory address or nil pointer reference, go routine. Oh, well, let's not do that. Let's go back to, let's just run this, actually, because that panicked out. Oh, yeah, there we go. So now run it. So now it's listening. Oh yes, of course, because, duh, it's because I tore down our dev environment. So let's put the dev environment back up. Go, launch in dev, that'll give us our network stuff back, and then we'll need to run run our migrations here. It's there. Weird. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. That ran. I don't know, maybe, I guess it just hadn't started. The service hadn't started. So now, with that running, now we want to run the thing. So let's do, trucks. Okay, now run this. There we go. Okay, so that works. And if I get the individual truck with this ID, oh yeah, the ID is new, so that's going to get back an empty one. Let's do this. There we go. Okay, so that retrieved it just fine. And this nonsense in here in handlers, that this isn't available, is in the get details handler. So this is the specific one. Yeah, it looks it up by the truck ID right here, which it interpolates into the query string and then executes query. The question is, though, why is that a problem? That doesn't actually make sense. This is clearly working. Plain and simple. It's marshaled to JSON. It's retrieved as the object from the database. The truck object. Alright, clear list. $45 and $12, we're going to look at it one more time. 45. Oh yeah, we have different code. Oh, what is git status? I'm on master. Git shit. Git branch. Git branch all. Alright, let's go look at the code base then. Oh yeah, Riptano, of course. So let's take this remote and check out the different remotes. Yeah, of course, I'm mapped to my other one. So let's get remote and add an upstream repo. So do that. Oh, that's right. I have the pull request here. Oh yeah, I was gonna do that. So let's see here. All right, we're gonna related work database. I wonder if I should. Well, okay. I'm gonna have to go ahead and push this one through because it's got the changes that'll fix this. Related work with database also fixes the build that, whoops, the build that I have created for the backend repo. So let's confirm this merge. There we go. And then I'm going to grab this. Today's notes. Let's do a new document. Text file. We're going to make it a markdown. Let's hear. View for trucks. Oh, I didn't really want to open this app. Open with another application. Visual Studio Code, please. Yes, thank you. There we go. Oh, I left it all red. Crazy in red. Actually, let's hear view pull request. Do damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Hey, Michael Jolly. You got here just in time for my my virtual machine to crash. That seems to happen at least once per session. So yeah, anyway, what I was doing just then, besides having the yawns, man, I tell you, working on getting a continuous integration build, so I was actually merging a pull request by myself, which I shouldn't be doing technically, but Need to get that in there so that the build will work for the CI. Well, it actually came back at the right resolution. That's pretty impressive. There we go. All right, logging in. Heck, I know exactly. It's like the boat just. All right, get all this stuff going on again here. Oh, it didn't come back. It's lying. It says it's at. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Now we're back in. Hey, I am not myself. What's up, Bobby? Oh, did I not get it? I didn't actually get to click the button before the VM crashed. That was glorious. Hammer function. Also adding so that the build CI will work. Here, copied that in there, and then looks like a mat. Yeah, it kind of does look like a mad Louis. That's true. There we go. Let's see how my light works today. Let's see. Oh, it ain't plugged in. Urgh. Oh, shit. You almost blew up something just now. But don't worry, it's okay. Where did the on-off switch go? Ah, there it is. Oh my god, it's so bright. Yeah, that doesn't help. Anyway, so yeah. Yeah, getting a merge request going on here. We're going to go ahead and confirm. Oh, yeah. Oh, the page didn't refresh. That's what it did. I know, right? So pasty. All right, where did... Okay, open with code. Oh yeah, there we go. Up for bat during next truck session. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright. So that's in there. And then if we bounce in here, and then actually I can go back to the README, right? Yeah, so this should be in the process of getting a good build. Or at least a different error. Should get a different error. So how y'all doing, by the way? All good on the Michael Jolly and the I am not myself fronts? Come on, build faster. 6 minutes. 6-minute build. Man, come on. Go takes like 0.2 seconds to build. You were where'd you present for 4 hours? Sounds like an unnecessary amount of presenting. Ugh. Maybe it needs to, maybe I need to restart it. That doesn't look like something that it should get stuck on. Parsing meta tags for this? And it got a 200 and then it's download? Download what? Oh, you were on C# Fritz's stream. Very cool. Were y'all like in the same room or doing a call up with each other? How does that work? Y'all got Skype working pretty good these days? I still fight between Zoom and maybe Skype. I don't really like using Skype though. Alright, it's cancel build. I'm restarting the stupid build. That just doesn't seem right. Alright, cool. Master branch, commit, restarting. Seemed like the other one fumbled for some reason on the go download. Demands, variables, add. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Q. Oh, yeah. Don't do anything, just restart. Should get the latest one then, right? Nice. Have you two used the Azure DevOps that you smear on it? I sort of have a not a big fan of that phrasing or naming on that app. I think it's just kind of silly. Look at this. Oh, if I launch it from this. Wait, what? You know. Yeah, like you spread some DevOps on it. It's like the Microsoft thing. And they called it Azure DevOps. So it's all kinds of inappropriate from a logical, metaphysical sense. And I don't even know where. I don't know. Let's hear. Spread some DevOps on it. Isn't that what he says? Oh, I clearly am not. I shouldn't be looking this up. I'm just getting pissed off or something. The industry, yeah, that's what I need to read. Just put some DevOps on it. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Come on. And people still don't. Oh, from the register. They're always real. They don't shit around about stuff. No, you don't know what I'm talking about? Oh. It's a thing some of the... Oh, it's from Matt, I say. Why can't I find it? Damn it. Okay. Spread some DevOps on it. I swear that's what it was. Oh yeah, and you... Oh, no, that's that stupid thing. I don't know, maybe they tried to make it be forgotten because it's just kind of stupid. But anyway, they named it Azure DevOps. which doesn't make any sense in the first place, because it's like, what, does the server communicate with all departments of the company? Like, what's the point? Anyway, it kind of pisses me off, because it's another case of Microsoft attempting to appropriate a community-based development thing, which seems to be what their marketing team does. I mean, nobody working on this app thinks this is the freaking DevOps team or anything. It's just a tool that you put your CI/CD in and stuff and whatever. Anyway, just use the words right. If we make them up, at least use the words right. All right, so that gives us a good build, so that's sweet. And I got to give the Azure DevOps props. Check this out. So that was a minimal number of steps of fiddling around, and I've got this project basically built out of box. Actually, I had it out of sync with a build that actually I knew didn't work, and it pulled from that one first. So I just added the Git repo. Let's go over here to this. Okay, so I pointed this project at the Git repo. Why does it always say? It always says 33% succeeded. Which I think if I click here, no, it's overview, summary, something. Anyway, I go in here and then pipelines. Yeah, exactly, fiddly bits to deploy. In here, yeah, this is it. So in here, like I pointed the build, when I click new pipeline, I pointed it at the repo and it spit this back, this Azure Pipelines YAML file, or YAML file since it doesn't have the A, I guess. And it said, all right, I'm going to take the master branch and trigger off of it, right? Then it auto-detected this, I suppose. Maybe it knew I was building against Ubuntu. I don't actually know, which is pretty trippy to me. I mean, I know what I'm building against, but I don't know how it could determine that. Then it added these variables here, which are some, like this is some weird, it's specific to the local build server or image or whatever it is that's going to build the thing. And then we get into the actual steps, right? So it makes the go bin directory, makes the package module path, and then I'm not really even sure what exactly shop T does. Then it moves the go path to module path and does some echo stuff for VSO. I don't actually even know what VSO tasks are. I thought that was like a Visual Studio IDE file path thing. But anyway, it gets bin and it gets root, and then it sets up the Go workspace. So it says that that's the display name of this specific script step, right? So then it just goes, calls a version for whatever reason, and then gets stuff, and if it detects a Go dep file, it goes out and installs Go dep, and then uses dep to pull the latest dependencies, create a vendor directory, which you need to do a successful build. And then just go build -v, all path thing, right? And boom, we're up and running, right? Get dependencies, then building, let's do this, building trucks, services base, add some customization to it. Setting up the Go workspace for the build. I think that does it. Yeah, so it was pretty nice. Like, this is basically the thing that was available out of the box. As soon as I pointed it at a repo, it executed this, and this was good enough to get the whole thing up and running. So let's see, update. Added a little more detail to the documentation. There we go. And then I'm going to run it, which I probably just double ran it. Yeah, I did. So let's cancel this build. The other one's going to build. So that's the trigger from the commit at GitHub, but then the other one's the trigger from me just pressing run, right? Hey, Viable Clan member, VCM. I'm going to start calling you VCM. It's just too much otherwise. everything needs an update. So I'm going to do Golan real quick. Okay, so this should spit back and give me a good one here in just a few minutes. Dun, 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 dun. And it's probably going to take, I wonder if it'll get stuck this time. It got stuck last time. Oh, there it went. Okay. Sweet. Success. Boom. Good build. Alright, so now we got a good build in that whole get up, right? So then I wanted to go back and figure out, kind of start getting prepped a little bit for tomorrow. So this one is the services base that I just built. So we now have a success there. And here we have a success also. I wonder if there's any other badges that I should add right now. Anybody got any suggestion? So the Cassie Schema Migrator is the C# project that I'm building to implement Apache Cassandra schema migrations. This truck services base is for the geopositional finding app for food trucks. Okay, me and Christina are building that over yonder on, let's actually go look at it real quick. It's over on Data Stacks Devs. We changed the name to it just because this fits better. We're not really like a school, we're actually a bunch of devs building various things. So let's go look at events here. And yeah, so like tomorrow, got C# Happy Hour coming up, and that's when I'm going to work more on the schema, the Cassie Schema Migrator. Let me set a reminder while I'm at it. And then here, the Geo app, that's when Christina and I will be working on, well, I'll be working on the truck services base, and she will be extending the front end. We will add it to the CI server process, and then likely start working from that tool chain. So like if we look up trucks, you can see the Vue.js app that we've been building. Primarily what she's been building. Oh, look at this. We found potential security vulnerabilities in your dependencies. Of course, they're all JavaScript. They all have security vulnerabilities. But yeah, so we'll go through that on the next session. So let's actually add that to my notes. Review for trucks. Come on, open the file. Oh, it's open already. There we go. Review the security concerns listed. Let's see here. Does it let you, yeah, access? Oh, it doesn't just, I thought it would list them out somewhere. Well, I guess I should catch a screenshot of it then. Select area to grab. Oh, I didn't click the main link. That's what I need to do. There we go. Yeah. Let's do that. Sweet. I'm liking this new capability coming from wherever. Oh, look at that. I love how phone calls get snagged like this. Like these spam bastards. Bunch of crazy fools. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with y'all real quick. Alright, so I'm going to cover that stuff on the next truck session there. But here, I also want to point out I got some Node.js stuff coming up. Quite a while from now, but it's coming up. Going to be working on the Killer Video app, the reference application from DataStax that we have, and doing a refactor by basically upgrading a bunch of versions from whatever version it's on to the latest version of Node.js, and then upgrading the libraries and a bunch of other stuff. Also re-implementing the data layer in GraphQL. I don't even remember what it's in right now, but a whole bunch of work. Me and Eric Zeitlo are going to be working on that. It's going to be pretty cool. So let's see here. But enough of that. Our thing that I want to dive into now. Let's see if where are my notes for it? Oh, notes. Building churros. I don't even remember what I did there. True Furby. Go call Viz. Oh yeah, that's that thing. Ah, I remember what I wanted to check out. Let's take a look at Golang migrate. Well, actually, I should just do Golang migrate. I totally messed up and stopped paying attention to the pull request that I put in here. I think this is the one that I was working on. Sounds like it. Oh, yeah, so show all reviewers. Universal docs is sufficient, but it's not. Okay. Configure the client cert key path, thus they should be settable independently of the server-side configure cert verification option. I don't know what he means right there. Damn it, it's been a month. These options were copied from Postgres. Right, so these options were copied from Postgres. Let's go look at that here, and then down here in the code file. Right, so if we verify CA path, and key path, configure the client cert key path plus they should be settable independently of the server-side cert verification option. That's the thing, I'm trying to just make it work here. Get SSL mode. So did the switch, and then I have this bit. Okay, well, first things first. I need to actually get this sucker. And we're going to start messing with it. Alright, so fork over yonder here. Then let's get a clone of this. And we're going to open up Tilix, that's what it's called. In there? Yep, I do. Okay, remove, migrate. This, there we go. Alright, so then git clone this thing. Oh wait, I need to. Come on, damn it, change back to use SSH. Yeah. Git clone this thing. And then also, I'm gonna go ahead and go CQL. What is that from? Yeah, that's from mine too. Git pull all, oops, all, I think. Yeah, okay. So then if we go here, go back to that, and go back to mine, we can go look at GoCQL, because we're probably going to need it too. Alright, gotta go CQL here. And then the remote bit. Oh, adding upstream for it first. So we're going to add the go CQL upstream. Get remote, add upstream this bit. Boom. Get remote. Alright, that looks good. Get pull all. Oh really? They haven't touched it. That's cool. I mean, I guess it's pretty damn stable as is, but alright, then this one has just the local, so then let's add get pull how do I get remote add upstream this thing. Okay, and then get pull all. Ooh, new branches and all sorts of crap. CLI updates, upstream CLI updates, master. Oh god, it's doing it that way. Okay. Seven. And then this has a, let's see here, how do we want, what does the make file have? So there's our variables, then build clean CLI. Release, define, indif, phony, shell, some crap. Okay. So this should get us running here. If we can just get a build CLI. So is that like make build CLI? Recipe for target failed. Make? No, of course not. Let's look back at the README. Maybe it says something. Right, okay. Right. So there's that. Then database URLs, CLI usage, creation files, versions. Make files your friend, read the development guide. Okay. Make sure you're running Docker daemon. Oh, do I? I should. Docker PS. Docker network list. Docker network remove trucks net. Because I ain't using that right now. There we go. And then Docker PS is empty. Okay, clear. Use a version of Go that supports modules. Okay, Go version 1.11.5. That should work. Fork this repo and get cloned somewhere to blah 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 blah. Okay, ensure that Go modules are enabled. Your repo paths of the where the Go 11 module and environment variable are set correctly. Check out your repository, enter a directory outside the Go path source, create a go.mod file, run Go commands from within that file tree. No, how do I need to turn it on. Oh yeah. So is that just an environment variable? Oh, let's see. Let's do, oh wait, not Atom. Let's do code bash rc. What we got down here? Oh, we don't have that running. The .NET root, we have the Go stuff, export this thing. What do I need to set it to? Oh, on. Boom. Let's see if we can do this. Oh shit, I just wanted to log off. Why did I do that? Oh! Yeah, so I just blasted through that restart. We'll take a few seconds, get it restarted, and then get the module stuff working. I tell you, that 8-bit rock, man. There we go. What was it? Make something? Well, it looks like it's got all the Postgres, Cassandra, Spanner, blah blah blah. It's got all of them in there now. That's good. And let's open the actual project back up. Keep your fingers crossed. Golang CLI lint. Oh, I didn't do that yet. Ah, okay. That's pretty slick that they do this, the integration test with the database. Doing something yet? Just can't seem to tell. Well, I'm just gonna keep that running. Ain't no point in stopping right now. Oh, progress. Progress. The thing that the future is made of. Executables, finally. Okay, so let's see here. Where does it put all those? Oh, there they are. Oh god, that's bright. So let's copy, migrate this one, Linux. Oh wait, actually no. Let's do. What are the other things to test? They wanted to test. Oh wait, let's go link CLI, linter CLI. Demo of analyzing BGO. What does it do? Lint run. Okay, so let's do a curl of it. Oh. What's the latest version? Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do this. Oh, I wanted to check the version. What version is it on? Third-party tests, scripts, package. Go check inits. Releases 46. 116. Okay. What? Let's try this again. Install curl. I guess I can just, yeah, do this. And put in the version. There we go. Yay! Okay. So did that first test, make test short, okay. Then we want to do make test short. That stuff, the linter is installed, so that should work now. Google Cloud Storage, nice. What is it doing with those? Downloading blocks. Huh. Gotti. It's got Gotti. Alright, well, while that builds, I'm going to actually take a short break and grab some refreshments. It's only going to take a minute here. So, I'll be back in less than 5 minutes. In the meantime, enjoy my be back in 5 minutes transition. Okay, alright. I'm back a little bit faster than I expected. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Had to mute my phone. I was listening to my phone. I wanted to hear what it sounded like, because my monitoring in these is different than like the monitoring in this, which, as you can see, is very Inception based. Got all the things going on all the time. It's kind of nuts. So anyway, oh, where are we? Holy shit. So I just looked back in on ye old machine here, and this is what I got, right? So as you can see, we're into two databases. We've done Postgres, MySQL. Now they're trying to Redshift. How does it even test Redshift? Via a Docker container and the API? But that doesn't, it's like, can you even get a database started with that thing? I don't know. That sounds a little weird. Postgres, MySQL makes sense because that's local. But Redshift? Yeah, I don't know. That seems a little weird. Supposedly it is done though, in 138 seconds, so a little over 2 minutes. 2 minutes 18 seconds. So I guess it's going through each of the tests. Alright, that's all wonderful then. You keep going through the test then. So it says make test short, then write off some code, make test run, test against all database versions. Wasn't this? This is the short version? Alright, well that's fine and dandy. So migrate version. Migrate version. Oh, maybe it says it in the message there. Oh, dash version. Migrate dash version. 4.2.5-9. So that's that one. This is the installed. Let's hear it. Which migrate. Adrian work bin migrate. Okay. So if I take that one, let's go back into here. Adrian. Then migrate. Let's see. CLI, right? CLI. Build. Alright, here's where our binaries are. So if we do a copy of migrate Linux MD64 to what's it there? Home, Adrian, work, bin, whoops, migrate. Okay, so then if I go back, I should be able to that looks like the same version. So did it not upgrade it? Okay, I'm gonna go back here. V4 used for stable releases. I use 3 masters on V4. Go and 11.12 release V440. I'm on 4.2. So let's look at release here. How come I didn't build V44? Let's just grab this one. Track 2. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. This. Well, whatever. Put it on the desktop for now. There we go. So then we'll. Oh, maybe if I do source bash shark. Whoops. Okay, so then desktop, so we'll do okay, that did it. It's like the code base is building the old version here then. Oh, and these finished, so it's here make build CLI. Maybe that'll build the new stuff. Cool. All right. Okay, so what did we just go through? We basically went through the entire build process here. So for Golang migrate, I went in here, then ended up scrolling down to here to the make file development guide. Then I verified Docker daemon is running, enabled modules, installed Golang CLI lint, ran Golang CLI lint run. Oh, did I do that? Let that run for a minute. Then I ran this. I have not written any awesome code, unfortunately, today. And I haven't run the make test. All right. Okay, so that worked. CLI build. So if I do this and then migrate Linux dash version. I don't get it. What do shit. Oh, maybe in failed to load program. Oh, interesting. Try it again. Right, so there's our build examples Docker file. Huh. Okay, maybe. Here we go, migrate. Hey, Ancient Coder, how are you? Just working through the Golang migrate repo right now. Getting some builds and stuff. So let's see, where's... Oh, I wanted to look at the make file. That's what I was doing. So build... CLI... I'm trying to figure out, so version is version. Tags. Weird. It's because it's I just downloaded version 4, but it's trying to build some other version, which really is super annoying, honestly. It's building like 4.2 point something. And I know it's on 4.4.0. Well, I guess that's going to be that. With that, though, alright, so we got that stuff running. Let's go into... what was it that I was trying to do? You did miss quite a few good ones. You know, speaking of good streams, let's give another shout out since you rolled in. Two that I've been meaning to take a look-see at. First one here, it's here, Michael Jolly. Alright, so, man, can I not spell people's names right? Is that what the problem is here? Is this working? I don't know. Come on, Michael Jolly. Where's your stuff at? That ain't it. I'll find it here in just a minute. Da, 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 da. The Michael... Oh. The Michael Jolly. Shoot, still can't spell it. Jolly. There we go. In this segment, when Adrian learns how to spell the Michael Jolly. Yeah, so on his, let's see, where is it? A few days back. Yeah, here it is. Heroines of JavaScript. I've been meaning to catch up with this episode. Let's hear it. I'm gonna grab them. Let's hear it. So he's got this one, and this one. Yeah, so you've probably missed both of them. And then, you know, he wrote a bunch of code too, which is obviously good. Yeah, he is hosting me right now. That's awesome. So yeah, but he's got his daughters interviewing some of the Vue Vixen Heroines of JavaScript people from the card series that Cooper put together. So that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have to watch those later. So now they have officially been bookmarked and have been brought up in the tab. And one of the other things that I was mentioning earlier too was, let's see here, Twitch TV. DataStax Academy has been renamed to DataStax Devs because it makes more sense for us when we're doing stuff. Yeah, it's. I think they're both from the Sunday streams. And then in here, oh, they're hosting me too. That's sweet. Yeah, we got some good ones in here. We live streamed from our Accelerate conference, but also we've just been getting more of the actual shows lined up and appropriately tagged as shows. We got the C# hour coming up. Got the Building the Geo app with trucks, which is the Vue.js plus Go code that we're working on. And also got some Node.js stuff lined up soon. So that's pretty awesome. Looking forward to all of those. I will be involved with each, and we've got some other good stuff coming up with a lot of database coding, how to set up DataStax Enterprise under like a hardened setup so it's more secure, and a bunch of other things. So keep an eye on events if you're into that. And then otherwise, go check out Michael Jolly's streams too. But yeah, I've just been working on code today. So what have you missed in the last 2 weeks? I think those were the main things. Robert Tables has been rocking it as usual. I think he might have built a whole keyboard while you were away. I had to choose between staying in and watching the stream or going to the beach with the family. See, that would have been such a problem for me, because I would have just went and watched the stream. But see, my thing is I hate the beach. Like, I like going with the family to the beach if I don't have to sit on the beach. Like, if I can sit under an umbrella and not turn purple and die, that's super cool. And then, like, people can bring me alcohol and I'll just watch people having fun at the beach. That's cool. I'm okay with that. But, like, I myself, I can't go to the beach. I'll die if I'm out there for more than an hour. Unless you give me a surfboard and some water, I'll go out and do that. But usually half the beaches you can't do that with anymore. You like go out to the beach and there's 9 million people trying to catch a surf or some other whatever nonsense. So let's see here. Where was I at? Yeah, so tomorrow I'm doing a C# hour. I'm going to be working further with the schema migrator that I've been working on, which is starting to shape up, man. I'm getting kind of more and more stoked about it. Like, let's see. I'm going to actually pull it up and see where I'm at with that. Get JetBrains Rider going here. So what else did you do besides the beach thing? Anything? Did you go check out some restaurants, or just literally watched the ocean the whole time and hung out with the fam there? There we go. Okay. Sometimes it sure takes a long time to get launched here. Oh, very cool. Congrats on that. Now that you mention that too, I bet I could go to a Netherlands beach and chill. It's like more northern sea stuff. Yeah, I just noticed that too. I don't exactly know what to do about it. Does your stream ever get out of sync? Do you know how to fix that? I mean, I'm sure there's just like a tweak, and boom, it'd be done, right? I'm looking through the Twitch settings in OBS. Yeah, not really sure what to do there. Oh well, it'll have to be out of sync for now. Yeah, I'm about to wrap up anyway, so it'll just be in sync next time. Yeah, so the bit here, yeah, you notice like my background doesn't seem to be running either, which is trippy. Let me see if I can fix it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. I actually like this background better too. Yeah? And there's this one. I got a couple of them that I rendered up. Or I got bought up, rendered, whatever. Yeah, I think I like two the most. And there's this one. Actually, I might stick to this for a while. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty sweet. So I wonder what. Let's look at what the other ones look like. Oh, and there's this one. Oh, wicked. And this one's just ground or whatever. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that. Boom. Smooth sailing. I don't know, maybe that one, or I'm gonna go with the first one. Seem more balanced. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Works good with all my out of syncness. So with that, who should we raid actually? Because I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I know we got some good folks out there slinging codes and stuff. So the question is who? Who do we raid? So Jamie Pine is working, AWS. Oh, Code Phobia's hacking on something, huh? It looks like he's drawing something. Boom. So yeah, let's go raid Code Phobia. If I can type everything in right here. All right, we got 9 seconds. And it all begins.
That's the gist of it. That is the gist of it. Building and deploying manually to S3 and to something at a time. And that looking.